So we've just put a new exhaust on it. I haven't started it or driven it yet. So this is the stock exhaust. I think Corvette should go bankrupt for this. This is what used to be on it. It was just over that. This is like New Balance sneaker, dude. So the new exhaust is absolutely beautiful. We have these titanium pipes. This is a Valvetronic exhaust. It looks a lot better than that old piece of trash.
And it's gonna sound a lot better too.
No, we just bought it for the look. That sounds really good.
Yeah, it's not, the valves aren't even open yet though.
Oh, that's the valves?
Yeah, engine sound up.